Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a device on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve device on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about CapCut and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about CapCut. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.